Hi there, I'm Paul and I'm going to go through this control panel, 12 volt control panel in your motorhomes, and that will switch it on, and this will give us the lights around the top of the vehicle, front and back. This one here will be a tank heater which you can switch on using it in your winter time, part of the winter pack, to keep your freshwater and wastewater tanks, stop them from freezing. On and off is simply a touch of the button. The water pump is the tap, and you have to have this on to use all your sinks and your shower, and that would be on, and it's obviously telling us we haven't got any water in it. For the fresh and the waste, it'll light that up as well. This is your master on and off, which we've just switched on. This one here will read you your leisure battery level indicator in volts, and it will also show you your engine battery in the same in volts. That will allow you to see fresh water as well and wastewater, so all four will come up when you press that button. It stays on for a few seconds. As we said, this one was the roof lights, the interior front and back above the cupboards. This one here is your awning light, and you can see when that's on because it indicates it over the door, and that is off. This is our plug-in to our vehicle, and you have a choice. It comes to the leisure battery and it also charges the engine battery. And with a system like this, on a Swift usually, you will find that it will go from battery to battery and charge when it needs to, although you can change it over by pressing the button, and now the engine batteries we can see is getting the charge. But as I said before, it normally does it itself, so you will see whichever light is on telling you which battery is being charged. And thank you for watching.